On the occasion of World Indigenous Peoples Day, a program and rally were organized by TTAADC in Khumulwng. The beautiful rally started from Dukmali Market with colorful traditional dresses. Present were TTAADC Administrative Reform Committee member Bijay Kumar Rangkol, ADC Chairman Jagadish Debarma, CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia, EM Runal Debarma, and many others. International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples is observed annually on August 9. It was established by the UN General Assembly in 1994 to raise awareness about the rights and contributions of indigenous communities worldwide. Like other years, on the occasion of World Indigenous Peoples Day, a mega program was organized by TTAADC in Khumulwng. On this day, a mass rally was started from Dukmali Market with colorful traditional dresses. Later, a mega program was held in Khumulwng Academy Playground. TTAADC Administrative Reform Committee member Bijay Kumar Rangkol, ADC Chairman Jagadish Debarma, and CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia inaugurated the program by lighting a lamp. Present guests were Minister Brisoketu Debarma, ADC EM Runal Debarma, EM Ravindra Debarma, EM Kamal Koloi, EM Suhel Debarma, MLA Sopna Debarma, MLA Biswajit Koloi, MLA Subodh Debarma, MLA Manav Debarma, MDC Ganesh Debarma, MDC Uma Shankar Debarma, and others.
O hayong hari besaroni salo tinini pandani ozama borongganang Kamal Koloi, EM Tribal Welfare, Dewi Pai Manjak Pai Jasini Inaugurator borongganang Chairman Char Jagadish Debarma, Tini Bikesar, Tini Minister, Tini Joto EM, Joto MDC, Joto MLA. Dewi Pai Manjak Pai Jak Hacal Te Champani Ani Takok Te Bohuk Sono Hayong Hani Besaroni Salo Khulumaya Par Ani Chai Sekang Sanai Rok Jotono Kaham Sai Thangbaikha Jung Tini Chini Odhikarni Sal Jung Jotono Chirona Ni Bagoino Chini TTAADC Ni Bekhak Tui Chini Bubagrani Netrite Jung Tripura Motha O ADC Hapango Paimani Yagolo Boso Brungne Jung Chini Lukurano Chini Odhikar Chirona Ni Bagoi Jung O Salno Palayu Itong Chini Odhikar Temamba Jung Jotono Saimano Ani Chai Sekang Sanai Rok Sai Thangka Jung Salsa O Jagao Majority Tongmani Gabangko Jung Jono Songkha Tongmani Piawa Teluk Jung Tabok Borok Joma Komewi Thangka Minority Ngui Thangka Bono Jung Jotono Kok Sani Nangu Illegal Immigrant Tabok Chini India government no Blai Chorcha Joto Chini India wo Chini Bharat Bocho Omona Tiwi Chorcha Solei Tongu Piawa Chini Hani Busaro Ni Bisingo Gawangmane confusion Tongu Je Home Minister Chongsodo Basa Winu Sai Tongkha Je Patar Hani Phainai Rok no Borok no Aidar Borok no Arrest Ma Khainai Hayan Kiba Encounter Ma Khainai Chini Hasteni Gandani, Assam ni Chief Minister, Joto Bangladeshi Painino Reclaiwi Dong. Otoso Chini Tripura Hanke Jung Sakhanke Communal Hui Hozau. Borok Je Sai Tongu, Desoni Home Minister, Desoni Kamamara Joni Chief Minister, Boroni Hastevo Reclaiwi Dong. Bono Jung Chini Hastevo Maharo Yahi Humani Pojuto Sung Communal Naitu. Omokuno Mane Kuno justice khai de deso koita bichar byabostha tong deso koita ain tong je Bharat Borsh ni Home Minister illegal hnoi ghosna khaibeni porjonto chini Tripura hongke legal o kong no jung sawani nangu o kong no rugui jungbo chetona tongni nangu je babe tabo chini jonosongkha teluk komai tongmani omono jung kasunai nengke omo o salni bisingti jung joto somai ma tangnai chini Chini Kong by Jung Porika Roymia, Jetsung Musutui
Andurun Kayo Tiniprai Pospan Bosor Saka Jung Tini Tripura Hani Bagaina Jung Andurun Kai Mapai Tini Yung ADC Boroni Pai Song Bidanino Mapayo Andurun Kai Bharat Sarkar Badongka, Chini Jotoni, Ekotani Baguino, Obama Omu. Tabok, any advice, Chini youngster of no. Tabok je karak tongnai, Juda Juga capacity tay tongnai, Naroni future tamongnai, Narawi tamuansu, Baito in Narao future khanai, Naroni aim object tongnai nango. All Indigenous, ang Indigenous ni President ang ni bagay no, Geneva o Wainay, ang invitation mangka. Geneva thangoy, aro New Zealand ni payo, Japan ni payo, joto biso ni boro payoy, jung haitoy no, baro ni hao, baro subida, proy hayrok tong. New Zealand ni Maori akorok sa leader ano saho. Tini oro, England ni, America ni, ganalok ayo, rung kotor matubo, juno rang liwo chini jagarong nayoy, aro Khorang play rang kacak man, urang kacak rong na berot lang payo. Obote kamang ma New Zealand ni ba samudra bay Urizak, jaga berak Khorang koila mano, ropai mano, rang kacak mano, aborong kan bidesi rong. Dokol kaitong ka. Okay, bravo. Geneva o Indigenous sonmelo na mapayo. Bravo ni kong orono. Araw at yung machini Tripura ni ang saka, ani statement tongo, tabok si boy, tabok yung sapowi, tong mani, araw mo tongo, tabok ni youngster o naraw ni challenge tamong mo. Tabok ni juda netitoro, yung no se kok saik na rimani. Orono clear that Chini next generation baruyang tong chalong tong now jodi united omyong khlai now the future blind mokol kroyong nai nara mungsa khlai bayong nai aite na podong oro jumping khlai oro ne ma thang nai kuno Chini ha Chini satino nara safe khlai maya protection body mayong nai body bagay no tabok United Nations je ini bagai provision tong mani abon aja apply mark lain ni abon ini bagai orang Chini unity nango unity bagai no yang United orang nango National Party ro je lain komunis ro bakul di no wan sugia komunis ni polisi juda nungna sebai nai sekak nai deni pan sebai rioi nungna nanai.
The indigenous people of the state were seen celebrating this auspicious day with joy and love, which is highly noticeable. Reported by Pravir and Suman from Khumulwng, Chini Khorang.